बॉलीवुड अदाकारा विद्या बालन इन दिनों अपनी आने वाली फिल्म कहानी 2 की शूटिंग में काफी बिजी चल रही हैं, लेकिन अपने बिजी शेड्यूल से टाइम निकालकर वो एक सोसाइटी मैगजीन की लॉन्चिंग के दौरान पहुंची, जहां उनका कुछ अलग ही अंदाज देखने को मिला। बुक लॉन्चिंग के बाद विद्या बालन ने मीडिया से बात करने के दौरान कई बातें साझा की।
Firstly, hi everyone. Thank you, Mr. Hira, Society, Suchitra, and all of you for having me on the cover of the November issue of Society. I just realized standing here today that our first film magazine came from Magna. And I remember as a child, I was not allowed to read The Stardust. And growing up, I was not.
You're finding it pretty old.
No, but I remember I used to try, and when I went with my mom to the beauty parlor or something like that, she would be getting her stuff done, and I would strictly go through pictures of and all the magazines that are part of the Magna family. It's just amazing. No wonder you did a magazine, a cover launch the way you did, with that music and so much fanfare around it. It's absolutely lovely. I really can't remember what we spoke about, Suchitra. So I'm a bit worried when I see something like complicated people are always interesting.
Harmless content.
No, but
And by the way, you said this about yourself.
Exactly. So
Wow.
we want to know how
Which is
complicated
good.
is Vidya Balan.
oh, I think it's not right for me to say how complicated I am, but I think all of us are complicated. The people around me will have lots to say, but I shall keep mum. It's feeling wonderful to be on the cover, and I do love the cover.
Wow. So
Thank you.
So I mean, I know you must have got this question, a lot, and it's been what, 11 years now in the industry.
Yeah.
So we want to know, how has this journey been throughout the years? It must have been just like a dream.
It's been fascinating. It's been marvelous. I'm thinking of all the adjectives I can use to say it was fabulous. It was better than what I'd expected. Of course, there are ups and downs, and when you're down, you feel like, it's the end of the world, and because everything is so magnified here. But if I had to relive it, I relive it in exactly the same way. I think I just feel really blessed because I'm living my dream of being an actor. I can't say this enough number of times.
So
Knock on wood.
when you started out, we all want to know, who was that one person you looked up to as an actor or as, a superstar?
I think growing up, it was only Amitabh Bachchan for me. I think for most of the country.
Yeah.
I remember my mom keeps telling me that if Sara Zamana didn't show on Chitrahar or Chaya Geet or whichever we were allowed to watch on that particular day, I wouldn't eat dinner. So she would actually keep praying, saying, "Oh my God, aaj Gana dikh jaye." So I've always been a Bachchan fan.
Okay. And when people offer you these roles, in different movies, how do you select the role, or how do you select the character that you want to play?
I think it's very instinctive. I have no formula. I have no sticks. It has to I have to respond to it instinctively, and if I do, then I ask myself, do I really want to tell this story? As an audience, would I want to watch this film? Then of course, do I want to live with this person? Or rather, do I want to live this person's life for that amount of time?
So how is the journey now? Kahani 2, we come to Kahani 2, and how has that journey been?
Oh, it's been crazy to say the least, because we made Kahani 6 years ago. It released 4.5 years ago, but even today people keep telling me how great that film is, and I kept telling Shujoy, I said, should we even attempt making a Kahani 2? And he said, so let's do one thing, let's not make a sequel or a prequel, let's just take the franchise forward. So he came up with a story that was completely different characters, different world, absolutely different story, and said, it's the perfect film to be made as Kahani 2 in the franchise. And when I heard it, I loved the story.
Is it your best performance so far?
Oh my God, how can I say that?
I mean,
I don't know. I never have a perspective on performance,
or do you
on
feel
my own
that,
performance anyway.
There is something that's going to...
I would always hope so. With every film, I hope.
that's
But I know I've done my best, and I'm happy with the film we made.
तो सुना ना आपने कि विद्या बालन अपने फिल्मी करियर को लेकर कितनी खुश है, साथ ही वो मैगजीन के कवर पेज पर आकर भी काफी हैप्पी हैं। नेक्स्ट 9 न्यूज रूम से गायत्री गुप्ता की रिपोर्ट।